Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhini's world. Today I am going to show you how to make delicious and protein rich tofu curry. This tofu curry tastes amazing with roti and is one of our regular dinner recipe as it is very less in fat and goes easy on our digestive system. So let's not waste any more time and get started. Friends, not only this tofu curry is as delicious as our paneer curry, but also tofu has got very less fat, making it very healthy and light dinner option. So do try this recipe and don't forget to like and share your valuable feedback with me in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.